In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Zoom meeting invite via Gmail. If you're already inside a Zoom meeting and want to quickly send the invite to someone by email, Zoom makes the process very simple. This is especially helpful if someone needs to join at the last minute and you want to send them all the meeting details without copying and pasting anything manually. To begin, open Zoom and make sure you're inside the meeting room. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom of your screen for the participants button. Right beside it, you'll see a small upward pointing arrow. Click that arrow to open more options and then choose invite. This will open a pop-up window with different ways to invite people to your meeting. Inside that pop-up, select the email tab. You'll see several email options there. And for this method, click Gmail. As soon as you do that, your web browser will open and take you directly to a Gmail Compose window that's already prepared for your Zoom meeting invite. This is convenient because Zoom automatically fills in the important meeting information for you, such as the meeting link and other details your guests need in order to join. Once the Gmail Compose window appears, take a moment to review the message. You should see that the meeting details are already included, so you do not need to type them yourself. All you need to do is go to the To field and enter the Gmail addresses of the people you want to invite. Be careful to enter each email address correctly so your invite reaches the right recipients without any issues. After you've added everyone you want to invite, go to the bottom left of the Compose window and click Send. Gmail will send the Zoom invitation immediately, and your recipients will receive the meeting details in their inbox. And that's it. That's how to share a Zoom meeting invite via Gmail. It's a fast and easy way to bring people into your meeting, especially when time matters. If you use this often, it can save you from having to manually copy links and meeting information every time you need to invite someone.